Siguro curious yung ating mga kababayan ngayon, once you are in the Senate, ano po yung pinakaunang batas na inyong ipa-file?
Actually, Sunil, yung pinakauna is a review of the rice tarification law. Kasi problems with rice prices right now. Masyadong expensive because walang mabili. The reason is inalis na po sa NFA yung kanilang mandate to sell cheap rice sa market. Inalis po yan ng rice tarification law. Pangalawa, we need to review the rice tarification law to include, Sir Neil, kailangan na i-subsidize ang mga bigas sa palengke para everybody makinabang from the middle class to the below middle class to the poorest of the poor. Kasi right now, Sir Neil, yung mga bigas, lalo na yung mga galing sa gobyerno, parang mga poorest of the poor lang ang nakaka-afford, PWD, senior citizen. The question is, what about the working class, Sir Neil? The workers, the manggagawa, they also contribute. The bulk of our taxes are coming from these workers. So, bakit hindi sila pwedeng makinabang dyan at nabigyan din, kapitmin sila ng itong subsidized rights by the government, Sir Neil?